Hello students, today we are going to study Science chapter 1 and the topic for today is Agriculture from your Dewdrops Term 1 book, page number 118. So what is agriculture? The mass production of plants and animals for food and other purposes is called agriculture. Here we are going to discuss the various stages involved in agriculture. Number 1 is plowing, manuring, sowing seeds, irrigation, spraying pesticides, and harvesting. So what is plowing? Plowing, it helps to loosen the soil. Plowing helps to add air to the soil. Second stage is manuring. Manure is added to provide nutrients in the soil so that soil retains its fertility. Sowing seeds. Plants grow from seeds, that's why we need to sow seeds in the soil. Irrigation. It helps sufficient water to plants. Plants need water for growing, that's why we need to add water to the plants. This is called irrigation. Spraying pesticides. It kills the pests and protects the crop. There are many pests which can destroy the crop, that's why farmers need to spray pesticides or insecticides to kill the harmful pest and protect the crops from damage. Last stage is harvesting. When the crop is ready, it is cut and gathered. Means when after growing, the crop can be cut and stored in a dry place. Then it is sold in the market. Crops and the types of crops. What is a crop? Plants of the same kind grown on a large scale at a particular place during a particular time are called as crop. There are two types of crops, Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops are also called summer crops, for example rice, maize and cotton. These are Kharif crops which can be grown from June to October. Second is Rabi crops which can be grown from November to April. That's why they are also called as winter crops. For example, wheat, gram and peas. Now, protection of crops. We have already got harvesting of crops. Then we have discussed the types of crops. Now, it is also very important to learn how we need to protect the crops from pests and insects like grasshoppers, locusts, caterpillar, squirrels, and even some grazing animals and birds. They are responsible for destroying the crops. That's why we need to spray insecticides or pesticides to protect them. You must have seen a scarecrow in the fields, which is helpful for scaring away the birds. That's why it is having the name scarecrows. Grains and seeds should be stored properly after harvesting the crops. Now learn the important keywords. Thank you for today.